look like this. It sounds like this, only not out loud. You're sitting there. I've actually done it in a class where we did it out loud, and it was really weird. Everyone was doing the Om sound. You've heard of that? Everyone in the whole class out loud was going, Om, for about a half hour. It was the weirdest feeling I've ever had. I thought the ceiling was going to blow up or something. I thought it was really weird. But we don't do that. We just do it inside. We just do it to ourselves silently. And so it looks like this. And I'll just use still for the word today. So after I've done it for about 30 seconds, then I'll just start going still. Only not out loud. Still. 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 And that's all you do. Now, I can hear in the back of your mind, you're going, ain't no way I'm going to do that for 20 minutes. Say some dumb word for 20 minutes. Just trust me on this. Watch what happens. Now, there's 3 things that'll happen when you do this that may or may not happen every time, but for sure, one of those 3 things will happen. If we have time, I'll tell you the 4th thing. There's 4 things, actually. I don't know if I'll have time to get to the 4th. It's the coolest. So the first thing that will happen is you're going still, 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 and then your mind will take off. Who are we playing? Oh, South Dakota. Is it South Dakota who you're playing? Or South Dakota State?
South Dakota.
They're playing South Dakota. Are they a good team? I don't know. I've heard that. How could anyone be good if they're in South Dakota? I got to go shopping because I need some food if I'm going to watch the game. And oh yeah, and your mind will just start going all over the place. Now, pay attention. Don't let this not register in your thinking. It's okay and natural and I shouldn't say appropriate, but that's going to happen every time. And that doesn't mean you're not being successful at meditating. This is the key to real meditation. This is the key to making this successful, is that you have one single intention, one single goal as you're doing it during the process. Not a goal for how it will be afterwards, but when you're doing it, you have one single intention. And that is, return to the word when it occurs to you. So your mind will be going all over the place. Got to go shopping. I got papers to write. And then you'll just catch yourself and you go, oh yeah, still, still, still. And then it'll take off again, as it always does. There's been times I'll do the meditating where I'll say the mantra maybe 3 or 4 times, and 20 minutes later, my mind's just been everywhere. Same results. Doesn't matter. As long as you have that same intention, oh yeah, return to the word as it occurs to me. Don't curse yourself. Man, I can't do this. Rotten meditator. Everybody's a rotten meditator. Nobody I know can do this for 20 minutes. I can't. Because my mind is bumblebees. But what we're doing is we're just slipping underneath those 50,000 thoughts of it that happen a day. That's how many they say we have. Whoever's counting that, I don't know. 50,000 thoughts a day, we're just slipping that word underneath. Not trying to make those go away. You're just slipping the word in underneath. Without any effort, without any, trying hard. It's just, and as your mind goes back into the bumblebees, at some point you'll go, oh yeah, okay, boom, boom, boom. You got that?